Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. I wanted to share with you today another brand that I've taken a shine to. It's a Spanish brand called Cygnus. Now, Cygnus is a family-owned business. It was started in Spain in, I think it was around 1968, if I remember rightly. And they make Spanish riding hats, but they also make fedoras and trilbys and a whole range of Panamas and a whole lot of good looking hats. They use all the traditional ways of production, but they pride themselves in using some of the best possible materials. And I must admit, I've managed to get hold of one myself, and I absolutely love it. So I thought, well, I'll share it with you because it's a little bit more way out there, if you like, as a fedora. And anyway, let's just show you. It's it's a a bit of a beauty. It's really, really nice sort of teardrop crown, yeah, nice front to it, with the creases there, falling very nicely. The gross grain is a nice depth. This is a sort of blue color. It goes very well with denim jeans, and it's got a really quite a wide brim. This one, so um, what I'll do is again, let's get the ruler and show you what the measurements are because it's a bit wide. So we've got 7.5 centimeters for the brim. We've got a crown at the front of 10 centimeters, and at the back 10 centimeters. As you can see, there's quite a profile going up and over here, which is really quite stylish. The actual gross grain ribbon is about it is 3 centimeters high, which is quite nice. The size on this one is a 61, and I'll just have a look and see how it measures up. Right, let's get the sides out, and it's very much an oval shape rather than a round shape, which is nice for myself because it's the shape of my head. But this has come up at between 7.25 and 7 3/8. So yeah, it's there we go. So it's a small 61 to be honest, and yeah, but it's a very comfortable fit for myself. And inside, we've got a really nice sort of satin lining with the leather hat band going around it. So these hats are, I mean, typically this one will be probably around £300, something like that. It's one that I bought secondhand here in the UK. There are one or two people that have brought them into the UK and sell them at the retail sites, but I've not actually seen them on the shelves anywhere. So this I thought was a lucky find, to be fair. It is a rabbit felt, and it's a really nice soft felt. I've given it a good clean and a steaming and shaping. It's a 61, and it comes up a bit smaller than some of the 61s that I've got. But let's have a look. I'll show you, and you can see what you think. But this one is a real stylish, I think. You know, you could wear this with jeans. You could wear it with a sports jacket. Wear it with this suit. It's the sort of thing you expect to see a gentleman at the opera with, as well as you know, a dandy walking down the street with his jeans and t-shirt on. So it's a hat for all occasions, as they say. But it's one that I like, and I think it looks a bit odd when you put it up like that. I think that looks a bit odd. It's just too big. The brim is just too big to wear it up. So you need to tilt it a little bit and wear it down. So this is the Cygnus. It's from Spain, as I say, one of many in their range, and yeah, it's certainly one well worth looking out for if you get the opportunity. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.